What's wrong with it?
Nothing.
Okay. Hello, YouTube.
What's up, YouTube?
Welcome back to our channel. Thanks for joining us again. It's a bit of a miserable day here today. We did plan, obviously, our normal event session to do it in the garage, but because it's raining, we are in the gym.
The gym.
With little man as well. He is just
in the background, jumping around like a lunatic.
Yeah, doing some box jumps. So I am basically just going to do what I can do at the gym today. Obviously, there's not going to be any yoke, stones. It'll be sandbags instead of stones because we've got new, not sandbags, sand balls.
Because they're brand new in the gym.
Yeah.
So if you're in the Altrincham area, South Manchester, and you want your hands on some sand balls, then Strength Collective have them now from 40 kg to 140.
Yeah. So
140 is not filled yet, but it will be soon, very soon.
Yes. Okay. So that is what I'm doing today. So not very much, but I'm going to do some dumbbell as well, monster dumbbell. Some cleans and presses. What have you got?
I am seeking redemption.
Yeah.
On the deadlift front.
Yes.
So I'm going for the heavy.
Is it a heavy single?
Heavy single block pull, yeah. 215.
Right. And you're going to get it today?
Well, I don't know because I've got suffering really bad with sciatica today, so I'm going to try and block it out and just rip it up and hope for the best.
Well, me and Noah have mostly come to support you, so yeah, you should be fine. And then you know you've got it in you. It's just finding the right day.
Yeah.
It's really hard.
It's not running smoothly at the minute.
No.
Been run down, tired from work. Oh, yeah. And then I've got 42 kg circus dumbbell that I brought with me from the home gym. I forgot my hat today. Feel a bit naked without it. But just so you're all aware, I do have a full head of hair. Maybe a little bit of a receding hairline, but...
And it's not all grey.
It is. I've got grey in my beard, grey on me. I'm starting to go grey on my moustache. I just noticed today.
You've only just noticed?
I've only just noticed I'm getting grey in my moustache. Oh, God. Getting old. So let's go. Yeah?
Yeah.
Also, Serena.
Also, Chris.
What I realised, what I'm putting it down to, by the way, last week, you know, when I failed the 215 because I was just exhausted and everything, that's because I was changing the weights myself. You know, when I absolutely smashed it the week before.
Oh,
that's because you were putting the weights on for me.
I see. But last week I was in a mood with you, so...
Well, yeah, there was that as well.
Because you were shouting at me for all this camera business.
Just leave the camera business to me.
Yeah.
I'm the man. The man in the house. I'm going to show you what a man I am by moving this 200 like wet feathers.
Wet feathers?
Weather's feathers.
Wet feathers?
Wet feathers.
It's all right, we're going to put 250 in straight
No, we're
up.
not.
Why?
It's 207 and a half now.
2.5s and a 1.25.
Yeah, buddy. And I'm going to take a 4 or 5 minute rest.
In the meantime, I will do my...
Monster dumbbell.
Monster dumbbell. Because of the strong wife I am, I will load your weights and do my own.
What are you doing?
This is 40.
40.
Yeah, so my first working set of cleans is 45, but it's going to have to be 46. What do you want to earn, Sol? How many? It's only for one.
Lovely jubbly.
Lovely jubbly.
Lovely jubbly.
Yeah. Oh, Hog Daddy, it's Serena.
Oh, yeah.
Not so serene. Not like Soreen.
It's not sorry, no, it's Serena. And you got it right.
Well, that's okay. I'll let you off.
And you got it right, didn't you? It's Norek.
And Norek is correct, yes. It is, fun fact, our last name, spelled backwards.
Yes, Keren.
Keren Norek.
So basically, it's Keren backwards because if I call myself Keren Strength or something, people always call me Kieran. It's not Kieran, it's Keren. So changed it round to Norek Lifts. Well, actually, it's Norek Strength, the YouTube channel, but Norek Lifts is my Insta.
What are you saying?
Just saying, if I called it Keren Strength, people would have gone, oh, it's Kieran. Kieran Strength. That's not our name. No. You don't call a heron a heron, do you? Kieran. No, it's Keren. Had it all my life. Gets annoying.
Yeah, but Norek was correct. So.
And you've had it how many years now? How many years have we been married now?
We have been married for 11 years this year.
11 years.
11 years.
11 years.
How I've put up with you, I've got no idea. You see, Hog Daddy, I am the boss in our household. He's my bitch.
No.
He made me a cup of tea today.
Oh, you didn't have to say that, did you?
Because I wanted a cup of tea.
Oh my God. Just being nice, that's all. So what did you hear with me?
Yeah, but I would have come here to support you anyway. 207.5.
Come on. Go back. Try block it out, block it out.
Yeah, let's go. Let's just fucking pull it. And keep pulling. Easy work. Come on. Let's go. Big pull. Come on, keep going. Go on. Easy. There it is.
Not
Yeah!
bad.
Good job.
Nice little break. And then we go for 215.
That's going up today, I'm telling you.
215, please. Thank you very much, darling.
Darling.
Darling. Am I supposed to say thank you? Or...
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Are you actually asking the Hog Daddy?
Yeah. Can you just make sure they're on properly? Like, there's a bit of a gap here between.
Oh.
So you just got to, like, pull them on. No, you have to stand here
Just
and pull them. You're not going to be able to do it with the plate there. Watch this. So
do it
put 'em on,
yourself then.
and then pull it. There you go. Now lock it in.
That's too much weight for me to pull.
Lock it in. There you go. Teamwork makes the dream work. Excuse me.
I'm getting a 5.
Oh, the 5s are here, you know.
I know, but I've got them from here now and I can't take one from there and one from there.
Okay.
They'll be lonely. Can't have a lonely weight.
A lonely weight.
Yeah.
I've been waiting for my moment, I've been everywhere. I'ma make her mad. I just know that you should know this. I just met her in the club, but she acting like she knows. Go shawty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give a fuck, it's not your birthday. You find me in the club, bottle full of bug.
No microphones were on. Sorry, guys.
Oh, fuck yes.
Probably for the best anyway, innit? I was swearing.
I'll look into your soul.
Where's the music gone?
Look into your soul.
Right.
Oh, there you go.
Comp seconds will be doing.
What's your comp weight?
80. This
Yeah,
is
it will
only
be then.
55.
Yeah.
Run it up, check the scope, money talk, money mo. Yeah, main crew say they weed it, kicking down the door. Run it up, check the scope, money talk, money mo. What? Main crew say they weed it, kicking down the door. Let's go. And it's the whole lane when I'm driving the machine. True vision, big dream. Kingpin to the scene. They be talking on the net. I just count the green. Cash. From a phantom to a ghost. You know what I mean. Yeah.
Fucking hell, got it!
What's that?
80.
80. Yeah.
See the fake gleam. Real balls, new whip, off white, so clean. Rhyme with the heavy metal, make a big scene. Haters see me winning when my dogs survive. Feed the haters alphabet letters, let them subscribe. Man, I had to play my moves right, give me my crown. Give me that fire, the whole game up. Cities my playground. My town. They be making wild claims out of nowhere, I don't hear them.
So that is a wrap. Very happy because this one over here managed to get his block pull at 115 kilos.
Yeah, baby.
Very impressed.
Time.
And it looked...
About a bloody time. I missed it last week, that was all.
Yeah, and it looked...
Just had an off week.
It looked way easier than...
Do you know what? That felt easier than the 207.5.
I was just saying that.
Sorry.
So, yeah. And then I got the 80 sand ball to my shoulder. So I'm really pleased about that.
Noah had a good session, didn't you, Noah?
Yeah.
What were you doing?
I was doing box jumping and sandbag.
Yeah. You were running with sand balls, weren't you?
Yeah.
When you were gone, I did
Oh.
I did the same as you with the sandbag.
Oh, right. Oh, running with it.
Yeah.
Yeah. The 12 kilo it was.
Well done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like,
Loads of times I saw you up and down, up and down.
Talking about that, had a bit of a mishap with the camera. I was supposed to film the heart shocks, and yeah, it didn't quite work out that way. I thought the camera was 360. It turns out it's not. So it turned round to a certain point and then couldn't move anymore, and I didn't clock that. So it was pointing at some random guy, and then until Serena got there.
But all in all, it was a really good session, actually.
Really good session.
I'm a bit sad that I couldn't do yoke, but we'll just probably do that another day, maybe tomorrow.
Hopefully, yeah, but I think the weather's like this again tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll see what it's like.
yeah.
Because they don't have a yoke in the gym.
Next time I'm doing Are we going gym tomorrow?
No, we're not
No.
going gym tomorrow.
I am. I've got a leg day tomorrow.
Well, actually, you're putting the door up.
Actually,
We've been through this.
I've got a leg day.
We've been through this.
Yes, and I told you.
If you want to be the man of the house, you will put the door up.
I will when I've got a day spare.
This
which
is a day spare.
Which is next week.
Anyway, thank you. Thank you for watching. We hope you liked the video. If you did, please go
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
on. Yeah. Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So we've had to do a quick pit stop. Where have we stopped, Serena?
Mickeys. It's for Noah too.
Absolute brilliant food for after a session, innit, Serena?
Yeah.
And what am I having? I'll tell you what I'm having. NutriPrep. And if you don't know who they are, get to know.
Wow.
Because they're brilliant.
That was so aggressive.
Get to know them. Because they're brilliant. All my meals, all my evening meals are sorted for the month. All prepped, ready. It's done. Like, what have I got tonight? Steak and mash or something like that. And then there's lasagna. There's all sorts, and it's all, what do you call it?
Freshly made.
All well, yeah, it's freshly made, but
You can be frozen.
no, well, you can be frozen, yeah.
You can be frozen.
It can be frozen. It's got all the macros on it. All your calories, all your fat intake, your carbs, everything's on it, mapped out for you. So easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. I keep saying that a lot recently.
You keep saying